here we are. So I'm back with the final, no, it's not the final, the third PC build update, and as you can see in this one, I've actually got some parts. This is exciting. I have almost all the parts. Actually, I have everything except for my motherboard. That's like the main thing, and it's not coming until probably tomorrow. But for you, it'll be just a little while. Anyway, so this is the case I went with, and the air conditioner just turned on. So that's gonna be a thing. The case I ended up going with was the Phanteks EVOLV ITX. So this is an ITX tower, and I liked it because it was an ITX tower, and it has a window. Isn't this just majestic? So this goes on here. It's gonna look pretty cool. I went with the EVGA GeForce GTX 960. So I really like this. This GPU, it has the NCIX 2.0 cooler on it, which I think looks really nice. It's all black, and it's a sleek design, and it's also supposed to have really good cooling. Oh, and you can also SLI this card. Not that you would ever SLI two 960s, but it's possible if you want to do that. I went with the i5 4690K. Yeah. 4690K, and I'm just sticking with the stock cooler for now. Later, that's probably one of my next upgrade is probably going to be the to an all-in-one liquid cooler. And then my power supply is the CX500M power supply. I've already actually started to install some of this stuff, so the power supply is down there as you can see, and I put in my hard drive. I got a Western Digital 1 terabyte mechanical hard drive, and then I also have a Sandisk 120 gig SSD down there for my operating system. And then in addition to this storage, I have a 2 terabyte USB 3.0 drive. So I'll have plenty of storage in this system. So I'm ready to build this, except for I need my motherboard, and that's not supposed to come until tomorrow. So blah blah. And that's not supposed to come until tomorrow, which is kind of sad for me, but it's okay for you guys because the motherboard is here right about now. Okay, so it's exactly 1 day later, and look at our cute little. Let me de-static myself. I'm scared. I don't have an anti-static strap, and I know you're gonna hate me in the comments for that. But anyway, it's a day later. Look at our little micro ATX motherboard came. This is exciting. So I was excited, and I've already put the RAM in there. So you missed that, but whatever. So let's get started on this build.